Hey everyone, it's Annette. So today I'm just going to be going through and unpackaging my Shemodern stamping polishes, sticky stamping polishes that I had purchased. I think it was around the beginning of this year. I'm not going to open up the bottles. I'm just going to be taking them out of the boxes, showing you guys the colors through the bottles. I have used a couple of them, like the black and the white, and I am really happy with them. So anyways, I'll just go ahead and put some music on for you guys and show you what I got. And there's going to be a lot of it, so get ready. So this is the end of the video, you guys. I have 3 of these racks polish racks that you would hang on the wall, full now of the Shemodern stamping polishes. Like I said, I just at the beginning of this year, I just decided just to go ahead and buy the whole collection that she had on Amazon. So anyways, yeah, because I did want to start getting into more stamping this year, and also I just wanted to get them out of the boxes, show them to you guys really quick, because I do want to start using them, because I have not been grabbing for them because they've been in their boxes. The only ones I've been grabbing for is I had already ordered a full size of the black. I think I have 2 silvers, 2 golds, and then 2 of the opaque whites in the full size. But then, like, in each of these sets, it comes with like the clear jelly stamping sealer, watercolor polish, stamping sealer, watercolor polish, again, jelly. So, you know, I'm not sure, you know, how to use these, so I'm going to have to research those. And then some of them came with, like, you know, like the opaque black and then also the opaque white. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys because I really just want to start using everything that I have been accumulating for quite some time. Because like I said before, it's just getting to the point I'm not using my stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave me comments down in the comment section. I really do love talking with you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.